Subscribe to the Advanced Unboxer channel and watch all latest technology videos by pressing the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to the another interesting video on my channel. In this video we are going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite release date, features and rumors. So keep watching this video. My name is Hamza Mukhtar. You are watching Advanced Unboxer. So let's get started. The rumors about Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite are in full swing, and the indications suggest that it is probably going to be one of the most exciting models that smartphone users can expect in 2019. What it appears right now is that the phone is going to have a larger screen and a pinhole camera can be seen as well. The model is likely to include an inbuilt fingerprint scanner, and it might have around 3 to 6 cameras, all of which suggest that the model is going to be powerful. The phone provides the audiences an opportunity to look forward to one of the most exciting models of 2019, with the latest news revealing that a phone which looks similar to S10 has made its appearance with a camera hole punch at the right corner of the device and the bezels present around the display that are extremely thin. You can hardly wait to see it. Right now, we are a couple of months away from the release of S10 Lite to be unveiled at the Mobile World Congress, but there are some interesting facts you may know about this device while trying to avoid the notch and introducing the punch hole on the screen. In a bid to include the front-facing cameras, the company has attempted to make the device more accommodating for the audience. It is true that the rumors are still rumors and nothing can be said about the veracity of those renders to date. Now, the question gripping your mind may be related to the number of models the company is expected to launch. In keeping with the trend the company has been following for the past few years, it may release about 4 versions of S10 models. If one device comes with a flat screen, the other one may have a curved ionic display. Apart from this, one of the models may be released to honor the 10th anniversary of the Galaxy S phones. The company is not going to deter from its original plan to release the device during the Mobile World Congress, while the announcement is to be made a day before the start of the show. The release date is likely to be around February 24, 2019, followed by the pre-order, and the sale of the device is going to pick up somewhere around March 2019. The 5G version is likely to arrive in the spring of 2019. As far as the prices of these devices are concerned, it can go as high as $799 or $899 GBP. Depending on the standard and the plus models. The company brings 3 new models that are likely to arrive in February with different screen sizes, and the larger models are going to be priced at a higher rate. Thanks to the leaks about the design and the display about this device that allowed us to cut the corners successfully. Presuming that the sources of the leaks are genuine, the camera cutout on the screen seems interesting. The design is relatively new as the cutout is going to be larger than expected. According to the model that was shown in the leak, the device had a quad lens camera arranged horizontally with 2 different colors. If you consider the previous leaks, you will easily understand that they were not accurate from the images that are available. It includes a 3.5mm of headphone jack, and it appears that the device may have a glass back with a metal frame. The dimensions may rise to about 9mm at the location of the camera bump. Further information also reveals that the handset may also include 2 rear cameras, and the size of the lens may vary as well. For now, you can take all those with a pinch of salt. Ever since the release of Samsung Galaxy S in 2010, the company has preferred to follow a convention for naming the device. During these years, the names of the models have represented a numerical increase. Quite naturally, the company would follow similar steps while naming this device as well. According to the hints that emerged from the company, the mobile chief has reportedly said that company will embrace the name Galaxy but still thinking whether it would have the S alphabet or follow a system of numbering. Should Samsung think about another name from the brand value this alphabet creates? According to the sources, other names are on the cards, but they are most likely to apply the upcoming foldable models of the company. With ideas pouring in from different sources, it seems that the Galaxy X is going to be the new name for all the phones that release further, but it can make the situation extremely confusing. For now, we can take the name to be Galaxy S and wait until the last moment for the company to reveal a new name. Everything you have heard about S10 indicates that the audiences can expect 3 models, namely Beyond 0, Beyond 1 and Beyond 2. The certification documents recently released also provides a hint that 3 new models of Samsung have been inspected. Based on these reports, we can speculate the release of 3 different versions of the smartphone. The entry-level device is likely to include a 5.8 inches display along with LTE and a single rear-facing camera. The Galaxy S10 is likely to follow the same display with LTE and a dual rear-facing camera. Flagship S10 model may have a display of about 6.44 inches and the triple camera setup. It will also include LTE and is likely to be 5G compatible. When you consider the screen size and the type of the device, the specifications are going to vary internally as well. According to a new report coming in from a different source, the device may have a powerful RAM of about 12GB and gargantuan 1TB when it comes to the internal storage, which is more than what your laptop may handle. The massive jump in the capacity of RAM indicates that the images are going to be super fast and the video editing exceptionally powerful. Besides this, the video shooting, gaming and the still photos are going to create a different experience for the users. For high-speed data processing capable of handling a huge amount of data, the 5G enabled phone will have much more than merely receiving the calls. The virtual and the augmented reality experiences with the handset is also expected to stay intense. From the rumors about the 6.44 inches display, the size of the screen is going to be larger than Note 9, another device from this company. The device is going to be powered with a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. If the leaks are to be believed, it is going to boost the functioning and the efficiency of the device over the current chipset of Qualcomm. The model will probably include the Exynos chip that is designed for certain markets. The company has leveraged on this chipset to improve the images and the video shots. Numerous hints about the new fingerprint sensor and its functioning in Galaxy S10 provide different approaches. It is believed that the model may include a full display with a fingerprint scanner, and the sensor will be more powerful than what you have seen in the models of the competitors. While the phone is still to be released, the industry insiders reveal different ideas about the specifications, features, new additions, camera and the display of this smartphone. Are these rumors true? Well, you have to wait for some more time. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from my channel. And if you think I should improve my channel, so don't forget to tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.